How to add Google search bar to your home screen. Hello and welcome. Today we're going to show you how to add Google search bar to the home screen of your Android phone. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's very convenient to have a Google search bar on the home screen of your phone because instead of opening your browser, you can just simply type whatever you want to search for in the search field and get your answers straight away. Or you can use the mic icon to use a voice search, or just simply say, OK Google. Now, how to get this search bar on your screen? First, let me remove it. Then we just open Play Store and search for the app called Google. It's right there, Google by Google. As you can see, I have it already installed. If you don't, install it and then simply long press the screen to get the menu, and down at the bottom you see widgets. Then look for widgets by Google, and there you can see search bar. Tap on it once, then tap add, and it's automatically added to your home screen. Now you can move it or change its size, make it bigger or smaller. I hope this video was helpful. See you around.